Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Crack and use 2 large eggs per sandwich, whisking them with a fork until smooth. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/8 teaspoon black pepper. Prepare 1 roti and warm it for about 15 seconds per side on medium heat so it becomes pliable and does not tear when folded. Measure 1 tablespoon of butter and set a flat plate or cutting board for final assembly. Have a spatula and small bowl ready so you can move quickly during cooking and keep heat consistent. Heat an 8-inch nonstick pan over medium heat and melt 1 tablespoon butter for about 30 seconds until foam subsides. This prevents sticking and adds flavor. Pour the beaten eggs into the pan, let them set untouched for 30 seconds, then stir gently and allow them to cook for another 90 seconds while folding inward to create a soft rectangular omelet. When the egg is cooked through, but still tender, fold or roll it into a shape that fits 1 roti and remove from the pan immediately to avoid overcooking. Lay the warmed roti flat on a plate and optionally spread 1 teaspoon butter to add moisture. Center the folded egg on top so it aligns with the roti edges. Add 1 tablespoon chopped cilantro, a slice of cheese, or 1 teaspoon hot sauce for flavor, then fold the roti over the egg once or twice to form a secure sandwich. Serve immediately on a warm plate or wrap the sandwich in foil to keep it warm for up to 45 minutes if transporting. Cut in half and enjoy while still hot.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.